Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to St. Angel's Public School Bagpat online economics classes. As you know that we are working from our home. So my dear students, today we are going to discuss again chapter number 8, income determination and multiplier. Income determination and multiplier. But as you know that in my previous video we have discussed the complete concept of income determination. The complete concept of income determination, and income determination means equilibrium level of income, or we can say equilibrium level of output, or we can say equilibrium level of employment. But today we are going to discuss next concept, means meaning of multiplier. Meaning of multiplier. See, now what is the definition of multiplier? Multiplier shows the relation between increase in income and increase in investment. Increase in income means change in income. Increase in income means change in income, and decrease and increase in investment means change in investment. Again I am repeating, increase in income means change in income, and increase in investment means change in investment, because you know that change means either increase or decrease. Change means either increase or decrease. So all of you have understood. So I can say like this here: increase in income means change in income, and increase in investment means change in investment. See, in other words, it refers to the ratio of change in income to change in investment. It refers to the ratio of change in income to change in investment. Now what is the formula of investment multiplier? See, K represents multiplier. What is the formula of K? Delta y is equal to upon delta y, means delta y divided by delta y. So you all of you know that I can write this fraction into this form: delta y ratio delta y ratio delta I. So this definition, according to this, see, it refers to the ratio of change in income to change in investment. So this is the definition of multiplier. But in reality, or in an actual way, what do you mean by multiplier? See, all of you know that K means multiplier. K represents multiplier. See, multiplier, explain me what do you mean by multiplier. So multiplier explains. See, multiplier explain how many times, this line is most important. Explain how many times the income increases. Income increase means how many times the income increases as a result of an increase in investment. See, you know that. See, explain means in simple terms. Please try to understand the meaning of multiplier in simple language. Multiplier shows, multiplier shows or explains how many times the income increases. As a result of an increase in investment, or you can say like this: explain how many times the income increases due to increase in investment. So this is the meaning of multiplier. Someone may ask from you, what do you mean by multiplier? You will say like this: multiplier, what is the definition of multiplier? Multiplier refers to the ratio of change in income to change in investment. And you will also say like this: multiplier explain how many times the income increases, how many times the income increases in an economy due to increase in investment, due to increase in investment. So I hope all of you have understood what do you mean by multiplier. What do you mean by multiplier? See, to understand this statement, let's take a numerical example to understand this. Please pause the video and note down this. See, to understand this, let's take a numerical example. If an increase in investment of rupees 2000 crores in an economy leads to an increase in income, of rupees 10,000, then you know that what is the formula of K? K is equal to delta Y divided by delta I. See, because you know that we have discussed increase in investment means change in income. See, increase in investment means change in income. Delta Y is equal to, see, increase in income. This increase in income means delta Y, and this increase in investment means delta I. So delta Y is rupee 10,000, and delta I is equal to rupee 2000, means 5 times. So value of multiplier means 5 times. Value of multiplier means is equal to 5 times. See, this value of multiplier shows that this value of multiplier shows that the income increases 5 times. This value of multiplier shows that the income increases 5 times. Income increases 5 times of increase in investment. Income increases 5 times of increase in investment. See, 10,000 is 5 times of 2000. You know that 10,000 is 5 times of 2000. So I hope all of you have understood. Means multiplier shows the how many times. Multiplier explain how many times the income increases. In this example, income increases how many times? You can say the how many times the income increases means according to this 5 times. So I hope all of you have understood what do you mean by multiplier. Multiplier explain how many times the income increases as a result of an increase in investment. Income increases here according to this example 10,000, and increase in investment means 2,000 crores. So I hope all of you have understood. If you want to calculate how many times the income increases, in an economy due to increase in investment, then you will take the help of multiplier, or you can say means you will use the concept of multiplier. You will use the concept of multiplier to determine the times, to determine how many times, to determine how many times income increases as a result of an increase in investment. So I hope all of you have understood. Please pause the video and note down this. See next concept. Multiplier and MPC. Multiplier and MPC. See, all of you know that what do you mean by multiplier, and all of you know that what do you mean by MPC, because in chapter number 7 we have discussed what do you mean by MPC, and what is the formula of MPC. Means delta C divided by delta Y. Means what do you mean by MPC? It refers to the ratio of change in consumption expenditure to change in income, See, multiplier and MPC, there exists a direct relation between multiplier and MPC. Multiplier and MPC means higher the MPC, means more will be the value of multiplier. So means there exists a direct or positive relation between multiplier and MPC. Means higher the MPC, more will be the value of multiplier. So this is the relationship between multiplier and MPC, or you can say like this, and vice versa. So I hope, see, there exists a direct relation between multiplier and MPC. Higher the MPC, more will be the value of multiplier and vice versa. See, now see, there is another formula. Here is another formula of multiplier. See, this is one formula of multiplier. This is one formula of multiplier, and this is here another formula of multiplier. Means K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. So this is the formula of multiplier. Means this is the formula which shows relation between multiplier and MPC. Means this is the formula which shows relation between multiplier and MPC. And you know that there is direct relationship between multiplier and MPC. See here. Suppose MPC is 0.5. MPC is 0.5. Means what is the value of K? 1 divided by 1 minus 0.5 is equal to 1 upon 0.5. 1 minus 0.5 means 0.5. Remove this point in decimal, then you will get value of multiplier will be equal to 2. Suppose value of multiplier increases from 0.5 to 0.8. Suppose MPC 0.8 means value of multiplier. See, higher the MPC means value of MPC increases from 0.5 to 0.8. Then what will be the value of multiplier? K is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC, 1 divided by 1 minus 0.8, 1 divided by 0.2. So means value of multiplier will be 5. See, now I hope all of you have understood relationship between MPC and multiplier. There exists a direct relationship between multiplier and MPC. Higher the MPC, more will be the value of multiplier. See, initial multiplier is 0.5. Then after then initial value of MPC is 0.5, and value of MPC increases from 0.5 to 0.8. Now this is higher the MPC, means higher the MPC. Now at this MPC, value of k is equal to 2. At this MPC, value of is equal to so you can say like this, value of multiplier is equal to